How to transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To transfer the Google Play Store balance to your bank account, we hate to break it, but unfortunately there is no any direct way to transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account. However, there is a workaround. So you must have heard of the Google Play Store gift card. You can purchase it out firstly. Then, in your associated bank account, you can go ahead and redeem the gift card to add some of the balance to your bank account. If not, if you have purchased any of the premium offers such as application, movies, or any other service of your Google Play, you can go ahead and sell it out. So that is another way to indirectly transfer the fund from your Google Play Store to your bank account. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can always check out the Google Help Center. We hope that we see you very soon. Until then, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us.